Good morning. I'm meteorologist Nicole Masensic. Want to get you updated on your afternoon forecast. After showers and storms during the overnight hours, we will have a mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. There's a very slight chance of a shower or storm later today as temperatures make it up to a high of 85 degrees. 83 in Peru, 84 in Kokomo and Anderson for training camp, 86 in Noblesville, 86 in Brownsburg, 85 in Cumberland, and 88 degrees in Greenwood. We'll see the upper 80s from Spencer to Greensburg, and then Mitchell and Seymour looking to top out at 91 degrees. That too warm for you? Well, temperatures, they are going to tumble a little bit as we head into the work week. 83 degrees tomorrow. By Wednesday, a chance for scattered showers and storms. Thursday, 76. By Friday, just a slight chance for some rain. And then as we head into next weekend for Saturday and Sunday, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies. And as of right now, we are remaining dry with temperatures in the upper 70s. Another update on WTHR.com.